Hi guys, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we're making gougère. Gougère is basically a cheese puff served all over France. They are light and fluffy with a hollow center and crunchy on the outside. Gougère. Coming up. To begin, in a deep saucepan, add in 1 cup of water, 6 tablespoons of salted butter, a pinch of salt, about 1/4 of a teaspoon, 3 teaspoons of cayenne pepper. Now, bring the water to a boil. Set the fire to medium-high heat. Once it comes to a boil, add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix well using a wooden spoon. Now, change the heat from medium-high heat to low heat and continue mixing until the mixture does not stick to the side. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Let it cool off for about 5 minutes. Now that it has cooled off a bit, we're adding in 4 eggs, but one at a time please. Here comes the fun part. Vigorously, we're mixing each individual egg. Vigorously. Now we need 1/2 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And 1/3 of a cup of Gruyère cheese. Add to the mixture and mix well. About 1 tablespoon of fresh chives. In a piping bag, add in the mixture. Now, spray a large baking sheet with cooking spray. Pipe the mixture onto the tray. As you place them onto the tray, please ensure to leave some room between them so they can puff up. And for a glossier finish, break an egg into a bowl, beat, and using a pastry brush, lightly brush the top of each one of them. Sprinkle grated Parmesan cheese on each one. Now, bake at 400 degrees for 25 minutes, or until they look like something like this. They are light and fluffy with a hollow center and crunchy on the outside. Have you ever had gougère? Please let me know in the comment box down below. And there you guys have it, straight from France, gougère. And as always, enjoy! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to press that bell button so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Bye! Thanks for watching!